In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp for task management. Quick guide. Let's jump right in. Start by opening your designated workspace in ClickUp. This is the home for your projects, where your team and folders live. Once you're in, switch to the List view. Lists are perfect for structured task management because they let you see items in a clean, scannable format, and they're great for sorting and filtering as your workload grows. Now, create your first task by clicking the plus task button. Give your task a clear, descriptive name so no one has to guess what it means. Lead with an action verb and include the outcome. For example, draft Q2 roadmap outline instead of something vague like roadmap. If it helps your team, you can add details in the description field, context, links, acceptance criteria, or quick notes, so everything is ready for execution the moment the task is created. Next, streamline your setup with templates. Click Templates, then choose Use Template. This lets you start with a proven structure instead of reinventing the wheel each time. Browse the options and pick the task template that best fits your goal, whether you're planning content, tracking bugs, or organizing a sprint. You can still tweak anything after applying the template, so don't worry about locking yourself in. To capture the specifics that matter to your team, open Custom Fields. This is where you add structured data like effort, cost, stage, or any property your process requires. Click Use Template here as well if your workspace already has a preferred set of fields. Consistent fields make it easy to filter, sort, and report across multiple tasks, so your views stay clean and insightful. When you're happy with the setup, click Create Task. You'll now see the task in your list, ready to manage. From here, adjust the essentials. Set the due date so the timeline is clear, assign the task to the right person so there's ownership, and choose a priority to signal urgency. I'll set the priority to normal for this one. As a tip, keep only one primary assignee for accountability, and use watchers or comments to keep collaborators in the loop without diluting ownership. That's it. You've created a well-structured task, applied a helpful template, standardized your custom fields, and set the key details to keep work moving. If this quick guide helped you get organized in ClickUp, like the video and subscribe for more bite-sized productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.